Hello, I am Dr. Surisha and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, you are going to learn about the different types of customers that a company can have based on the kind of relationship that they maintain with the company. Okay, and before I get into the video, I want to request you to please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so coming to the main point of the video, see, every company will have two types of customers, okay, based on the kind of relationship that they share with the company. Okay, one group is transactional and the other is long-term customers. Transactional customers means like they only have one-time transactions, they only conduct one-time transactions with the company. And long-run customers, as the name itself says, are the ones who are having a loyal relationship and a long-term relationship with the company. Okay, so based on this categorization, we have segmented the customers into four kinds. Okay, the first one are termed as butterflies. You know, butterflies, that means they are short-term customers. At the same time, they give lots of profits to the company. Okay, because the name itself suggests no butterfly. Butterfly is very colorful, but we cannot keep the butterfly stick to a particular place for a long time. Okay, it just flies away. So are this category of customers. Okay, so the kind of marketing strategy which the company needs to adopt for them is like they are anyway not going to stick with you. Okay, so it is better not to invest too much on them, right? And at the same time, since they are like transactional, they conduct transactions with the company, they do purchase products from the company. So it is better to try to make maximum profits from each transaction from this segment of customers. Okay, and the next category are true friends. True friends are, as the name itself again suggests, they are truly loyalists to the company. They stick to the company, they will be with the company, with the product for a long term and they maintain a long term relationship. Okay, so this category of customers are the very important ones to any company, and the bigger this group becomes, the more successful and the more sustainable a company becomes in the market. Okay, so here the marketer has to try and invest as much as he can on this segment of customers who are very loyal and are true friends to your company. Okay, and at the same time you have to bear in mind that this group of customers should not feel bombarded with the different kinds of communications from the company's side. They should not be annoyed by the kind of communications that the company sends or the company makes with this group. Okay, but this is the most important group, the true friends. Okay, they are profitable, at the same time they have a long run relationship with the company. Okay, and the next category are strangers. Strangers, again the name itself says, they are very short term, they are very transactional, and they also are less profitable. Okay, so obviously we as a company need not invest the time and energy on this category of consumers, but still you can really try to maximize the transactional profits from their purchases, one-time purchases, and you can really try to earn as much as profit you can from this category. Okay, and the last category are the barnacles. Okay, barnacles, that means they just continue the relationship with the company, but they are not so profitable, you know, they are not profitable, but they do continue the relationship with the company. Okay, so that is how this group of people will be like. Okay, so they do have a long term relationship, but they are not so profitable. So the thing is here, their pockets or their stamina may not allow them to continue or to upgrade. Okay, so that is how this group of customers will be. So the company need not invest too much of its time, energy or marketing strategies on this group of customers. Okay friends, so this is the video about the kind of customers based on the kind of relationship and the profitability that they share with the company. Okay, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Okay, bye. See you next time.